What do you get for $4.3 million in Carmel?
Let's go take a look.
Experience a new standard of luxury living in this newly constructed single-level residence where sophisticated design meets exceptional craftsmanship in one of Carmel's most desirable neighborhoods. Offering approximately 2,536 square feet of thoughtfully curated living space, this home was meticulously designed to deliver both timeless elegance and modern comfort. Beyond its stunning aesthetics, this home was intentionally built to promote a healthier living environment. Low VOC green building materials, Swedish specialty flooring installed without adhesives, natural wool insulation, natural gypsum drywall, sealed framing lumber, and dual fresh air circulation systems continuously introduce filtered outdoor air throughout the home. Combined with a highly efficient ductless mini-split HVAC system, an all-electric chef's kitchen, and owned solar panels, the residence offers an exceptional blend of wellness, sustainability, and energy efficiency. Additional appointments include a welcoming Dutch door, an oversized two-car garage, and professionally regraded grounds designed to enhance drainage and long-term performance. Situated on an expansive 11,700 square foot parcel, the property offers endless possibilities to create your own private resort. Whether that's lush gardens, a bocce court, or a sparkling pool, the generous backyard provides the flexibility to bring your dream outdoor retreat alive. If you'd like to see this home, give Patrick or Katie Ryan a call.